Hey guys, Tim here again. Thank you for checking out my channel, Candid Reviews. What I've got for you here today is this KINGJOY fluid head tripod mount. I'm going to go over real quick kind of why this is my new favorite tripod mount, why it's much better than my old one. Thanks for watching, and we'll get into the review. Okay guys, so taking a close-up look at this on this side here. First of all, starting off with this control down here, basically unscrewing this and kind of tightening it, loosening it is going to let you control kind of your left and right rotation here. So this bottom part is going to be connected to your actual tripod, and then basically this bottom part right here where you can see that very bottom line, that is what will rotate, and it's going to swivel on that axis to turn it. So loosening that is going to allow you to turn it this way, kind of like that left and right rotation. Also, you've got a level right here which works really well, so you've got your little air bubble to just line up in there if your actual tripod doesn't have that itself. To control the tilt forward and backward, that's what this is for. So right now it's locked. As you see, I can't tilt it. So if I loosen this up, then now this becomes mobile, where you can slide it back and forth and control your tilt that way on that axis. And then the other main function, if you see the red button here and this right here, so on the top this is your track where you're going to attach your camcorder, your camera. By loosening this up here, this will now slide back and forth, and by hitting the red button, that will unlock that mechanism there where this can come off. So the only negative that I found with this so far is that in order to screw this in and kind of unscrew it, you have to have something like kind of what I've been using, a penny here, to actually screw and unscrew that. My other tripod mount was a little bit easier actually. Where if you see here, compared to my old tripod mount here on the left, you can see night and day. This one's kind of plastic and cheap, whereas this one's very solid and sturdy. It's even got a little rubberized grip here on this plate. On the back here, this was as simple as twisting this with my hands, and that would just thread my device for me. Whereas this one, you can somewhat get it started and use your fingernail, but to really get it in and out, you kind of have to use something like a tool that you've got, or just a penny, something that you've got on you like that. So that's really the only negative that I found with this. Last function that I haven't talked about is then your handle here. So this just lines up into here, and you can thread this on. So that is it. This is a very nice fluid tripod head. Kind of blows my old one that I was using away. The old one that I had was actually that kind of plasticky one. It was very cheap feel. The cool thing about this is the attachment down here is 3/8 thread. They do give you a 1/4 inch adapter piece, which just screws right into there. So if your tripod mount actually has the 1/4 inch thread, no worries, because you can just use this here and it adapts very easily.